G'day and welcome back to the 40 channel. So today is another very special event. You might have seen nearly 12 months ago we did a long drive for a drought. So here we are again, 2023, long drive for a drought. It's all about raising money for these Aussie farmers that have done it tough through Drought Angels. Now this is day one. We've got another huge selection of 40 series Landcruisers and some 60s. Incredible lineup, and today, like last year, it's going to be awesome. But this year we've got a few other things going on. We've got a bit more media happening. It's going to be an absolute ripper. So we're going to meet a whole lot of different crew. We're going to meet different drivers, different vehicles. Plus on top of that, we're going to meet the farmers that benefit from what we're doing. Anyway, let's get straight into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Long drive for a drought. It's all about raising money for these Aussie farmers that have done it tough through Drought Angels. This is the Landcruiser community all over, isn't it?
That's right. Absolutely, mate. Yep.
What the Drought Angels gave to us over the drought was just absolutely amazing.
Epic journey. So here we are, this is day 0 of long drive for a drought. We've just left Bathurst. It was pretty cold and foggy this morning. So we're just heading through Orange and we're going to get to Wellington, power on and hopefully pick up a few more Dubbo and get to Goondiwindi this afternoon. So far so good. We've only an hour into our trip. Looking forward to catching up the others and the entire drive along the way. What are you doing?
Good food?
Good food. Good stock.
Slam it. Let's go.
Righto, so we're only 4 hours into the trip and we've already broken something. My window winder. It's going to be difficult to wind my window up and down. But anyway, better than a head gasket.
Oh, like go to town. Everybody will want to be behind us now.
You need to get a job at the sticker shop. Yeah, look at that. What's this?
Oh, look. It's Travla.
Travla! You were the ripper!
There you go, brother.
Thanks,
Enjoy.
champion.
No worries.
Nice.
That is good. Yeah, just.
Alright, so first thing is, welcome everyone to Long Drive for Drought 2023. Woohoo!
Woo!
I'm just going to get Tash to say a few words because that's what we're all here for, supporting Drought Angels. And great to see you guys all in your flannies this morning as well.
Yeah, and happy Flano for a Farmer Day. It's our first one.
Woo! Yeah, pre-flight checks, mate. That's a great sign.
Just putting a bit more
Love into it.
bit more oil.
So the support the Drought Angels gave to us over the drought was just absolutely amazing. we were in a time of really a lot of uncertainty, and we were getting a truckload of hay delivered every week, which was very depressing to watch come in. Matt was out feeding them the whole time, and the bills just kept rolling in as well. So it was pretty hard. We were trying to decide really whether it was the right decision to keep the farm we've been here.
Hey mate.
Yeah, it's got to stretch your legs already, peak hour.
Yeah, thanks for sharing your story, mate.
No, thank you very much.
I'll trade you. Some chemicals products and some random bits and pieces.
You're a legend.
Yeah, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, that's fantastic.
And if there's any chance that you can possibly come back and enjoy a beer, and
I'd love to, mate.
yeah,
Fantastic.
do what we do when the boys go to town.
Yeah, good on you, mate. I appreciate you sharing, mate.
Safe travels.
Good on you.
Yeah,
thank you.
Thank you.
Righto, so today we had an excellent opportunity to be able to hear some stories from the farmers that Drought Angels have actually been able to help. And this is all for a long drive for a drought. So this is the stuff that the money's going towards and helping these farmers that really need it. So a really touching story to be able to hear how well they're doing and how it's helping them.
Yeah, now we're heading to Yarra. We've just got one on coming here, mate, so hopefully if he gives us the ride, we can keep our wheels on the bitumen.
What's happened, Brent?
Yeah, mate, flying a Welsh plug in Rexy.
Oh, no.
Yeah, but, you know, as we do, everyone's pitched in and looks like we've got a spare Welsh plug. We're going to whack it back in and get back on the road.
Oh, how good is that? That is awesome. Like, this is the Landcruiser community all over, isn't it?
That's
Everyone
right.
getting involved.
Absolutely, mate. Yep.
It's fantastic.
Yeah, have a look at it.
Sensational.
Which is great because I've got no idea what I'm doing.
Look at his face, he's so serious.
A barber's shop.
Has he got any hair at all?
I don't know, has he got any hair? Let's have a look. Oh, he's got a lot down there.
On the count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Get in there, boys.
Come on, Jace. Come on, Maxie. Come on, Jace. Like on his corner.
Damien!
Hey! Second place right here. Where's the corner?